invest in gold? A dramatic rise in gold prices in the last few years is catching every investor's attention in 2025. So are you tempted to invest more in this asset class too? Hold on before you take a dip. Gold has undoubtedly remained one of the most trusted investment heaven for every household since ages. So before you get carried away by its ongoing rally, do consider all the risks involved and its pros and cons before investing in it. Gold currently does not offer any sort of passive income either in the form of interest or dividend. Secondly, other asset classes like equity and real estate may far outperform gold in long run, thus affecting your overall return on investment. Last but not the least, gold is highly volatile asset. Any minor shift in market dynamics and other macroeconomic factors due to wars, global inflation, dollar rate movements, etc. can largely influence the value of your gold overnight. Moreover, taxes like GST and capital gains are further dampening its glow. Everything being said, gold still remains attractive and undoubtedly worth investing in. There are many compelling reasons for why you should take a bet on gold and include it in your investment portfolio. First of all, it is a perfect hedge against inflation, as both are directly proportional to each other. So on one hand, if you're losing the value of your savings to inflation, on the other, the gold is making up for the loss for you. Point number 2. Every time the world suffered uncertainty, we have seen gold catching every investor's attention. That is only because when the world is fearful about equities, they turn their heads to gold as it gave their portfolio a much needed stability. Point number 3. Gold rarely disappointed its investors whenever they needed funds in times of need, as it is easily liquidable. And last but not the least, gold also helps you diversify your portfolio, as we all should do, and helps you gain from its price movements as well. So gold is undoubtedly a good investment in 2025 as well, provided you think of it as your portfolio shield and not its sword. At any point, do not go overboard with this asset class and keep your gold investment restricted to not more than 10 to 15% of your total portfolio size. So the bottom line is, every investment product has its purpose. All you have to ensure is that at any point, you don't go overweight on any one particular asset class and your overall portfolio remains well diversified and balanced in all seasons. So keep learning, keep growing, and may you make your best investment decisions in months and years ahead. Thank you so much for your time.